Today, I'm going to talk about my design solution. Cabot Tree Island was completely submerged by nosing floods in February-March 2022. The flooding event had severe consequences in that indigenous community of more than 180 people have been displaced, and power systems were destroyed. The residents of Cabot Tree Island come from Bajoran clans and follow the custom of kingship. Their family value is that non-immediate relatives also have the responsibility of raising children. Because of that, many families have 12 people living together. According to research, the chance of people suffering from PTSD, depression, anxiety, and other psychological distress will increase after natural disasters. People will be more eager to establish good interpersonal relationships to gain a sense of belonging, especially through talking and listening to each other, which will greatly improve their mental health problems to a certain extent. So how to prevent those situations happen is the biggest challenge for me during the design process. I summarized several key points that the design needs to respond to based on the analysis of the flood event and cultural background investigation. I need to choose a site with a no flood risk, design a 2-week shelter for a family of 12, and bring emotional comfort to the residents of Cabot Tree Island to help them transition to a long-term stable family environment. Based on the Ballina Shire Council survey, the Jack Gilland Memorial Park is a top candidate for the shelter installation. The park is in the Austinville, surrounded by hills. It is estimated to cover an area of 7,320 square meters, with a wide view. The area has a temperate climate, with an annual average temperature of 19.2 degrees Celsius, and the residents are from the Wajibwa Aborigines of Bajoran. Jack Gilland Memorial Park is adjacent to the Austinville Community Center, which is only a 20-minute drive from the Cabot Tree Island. Installing the shelter in the park because the facilities of the community center can help residents improve their living quality, and I also wish to build the connection of residents in Austinville with Cabot Tree Islanders. I came up with some preliminary ideas after brainstorming and research. The shape of the honeycomb inspired me and clarified my design ideas, and the shape of the honeycomb can effectively divide and utilize the space. So I divided the hexagon into 6 partitions equally and designed 4 room types for the daily living requirement. The inside space includes a bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and dining room. Each room covers an area of 5 square meters, and each shelter can freely splice rooms according to different numbers of people. After that, I conducted tests from 2 aspects to ensure the feasibility of the best outcome for 12 people living space. Figure D on this page is the only one that ensures that each bedroom can gain enough natural light access during the daytime, and the connectivity of the corridors can evacuate people inside the shelter during the emergency. Secondly, the test of the natural light diffusion of the room by changing window size. Figure D on this page has the most abundant light, and at the same time ensures the illumination of the mini desk in the bedroom. Then I determined the final shelter design. The shelter has measurements of 2 meters high, 7 meters wide at the entrance, 3.5 meters wide with an exit, and the overall length is 21 meters. I rendered a 3D model with software and handmade a solid model. During the design process, the Cabot Tree Island shelter was based on 2 frameworks: UNHCR Handbook for Shelter Camp and Settlement Standard, and Preferred Sheltering Practices for Emergency Sheltering in Australia, and used inclusive design theories. This animation shows the process of space assembly. Next, let's look at the final design outcome. First, the slope of the steps conforms to the principle of inclusive accessibility for disabilities or people who are using wheelchair. After entering the shelter, on the left is a kitchen with a gas stove, sink, and microwave oven. On the right is a bathroom with a water closet, sink, and shower. The dining area is used as a public space closely connected from a corridor, which throughout the entire shelter to increase air circulation, also to maintain a comfortable temperature. Lights are a priority built in public areas according to UNHCR standards. Every dining area and restroom installed lights. Each bedroom is equipped with a mini desk and a PowerPoint. There are hooks behind the door, and 3D positive sentences on the wall to encourage the residents of Capitray Island conquer the hotness. The skylight design of the corridors is mainly to maximize the use of sunlight and save energy. From the angle of environment-friendly and sustainability, the roof is equipped with solar panels for power supply of entire shelter. Most of the furniture and wall panels in the shelter used recycled materials, such as wood and precast wall panels to achieve the goal of sustainability. Thanks for watching.